grenade already.
All right, what are we gonna try to make?
Hold hand grenades.
A holy hand grenade. And where we gotta go?
To the store.
We're gonna go to the store, maybe multiple, because we absolutely have no idea what we're doing, do we? We're at Michael's, and I am thinking that we should get this size, but I am thinking that Camden wants to make it huge. You want that one?
Nope.
Good, because that's way too big, right?
Yeah, it's way too big.
I think this is a really good size. What do you think? No! That's the same size I just had. Yes, it is. So you want to get that one? What are we thinking is going to be good for the cross? It has to be something like this, okay? So in my head, I'm thinking we can dig a hole inside of here, cut a cross out in here, and then glue it into there because they have glue, this type of stuff. That would be the biggest holy hand grenade I've ever seen.
It looks like the size of my head.
We have to make sure it's like this type of material and not like the styrofoam because the styrofoam will break and get weird. Oh, did you want to press it? Hello, we are back. And where are you at? I said we, not me. I'm gonna cut out a little hole and I'm gonna stick the cross inside of it and then I'm gonna glue it into place. I'm not sure how long it's gonna take to set. And we have somebody who's extremely excited to do this because they love Roblox. And they love playing what game? Doors, 24/7 actually, all hours.
Super hard for me.
Have you beat regular Doors, Kim?
Mm-hmm.
Yes, you have, multiple times. And I still have not beat it yet. I have pretty much that because I don't want it to be too much bigger than that. I think that looks perfect. Do you think that looks perfect? And I'm gonna cut it out.
This is really good.
Thank you. You're so sweet. So I made this a little bit longer because I'm gonna have to dig a hole and I'm going to want this to be able to sit inside of it like about right there. Oh, we did it. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna take this, we're gonna see how wide it is, and we're going to want to put it in one of these. So I'm gonna take the pencil and I'm going to outline the part that I want to put it on. Let's see, I'm getting in there. Now we're gonna take this, I'm gonna glue it up real good.
That looks perfect.
Yes, perfect. And we're gonna glue around it.
That is so perfect.
Thanks, babe. All right, so right now what I am doing is I mix Mod Podge, and some black paint, acrylic paint together, and now I am coating this so that I can seal all the little pores, and then I'm gonna let it dry. When it's dry, we are gonna paint it the official coloring of it. A few hours later, and it is completely dry. Now I let it dry, and I put on another coat. Here I outlined it with tape first before I painted it to help me with a guide, and that's how it looks after it was peeled. And this is before it was peeled. Pretty easy, pretty simple. And then I did the same thing for the other stripe. Then I took some white acrylic paint and cleaned up the edges to make it more cleaner. I did use Mod Podge. I do not have it pictured here, but this is exactly what you would need to create this.
It's a holy grenade!